Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to build a custom ML model to extract data from various document formats. Let's get started. Here, I have a sample format of a document which is in a different format. I will show you one by one. Let's open the first format. Look at this document. From this document, I want to extract the state name, date, budget, account name, account number, phone number, and email ID. The challenge is that in these document format, all the fields are not located in the same place and the labels are different. I will show you the difference in the next format of the document. Look here, the state name, date, budget, account name, account number, phone number, and email ID are located in different places. And the labels for account name and account number become bank name and bank number. Let's see how our own ML model creation is going to handle this. We have seen two image formats of documents, and let's see a PDF format. This is also a different format with data located in different places. Now you are clear about the document formats, correct? Let's start building our own ML model. Go to Orchestrator, click on the More option on the right side panel, click on AI Center, and then click on Create Project. Here we need to enter the project name and project description. I will give the project name as State Budget Project and the description as the state budget list the revenues and expenditures of the government in a particular year. You also have the option to restrict access if you want to enable it so that others can't see your projects. Then click on Create button. Now we are here in the AI Center. You can see the dashboard, datasets, data labeling, ML packages, pipeline, ML skills, ML logs, and settings. I will explain each option at the time of creation. No worry about it. Now, I will choose the data labeling option first. Before proceeding with the data labeling session, we have to understand what data labeling is. Data labeling is an interface that allows user to manually label or annotate data fields within these documents. This labeling process involves identifying and marking key information like state name, date, budget, account name, account number, phone number, and email ID. This annotated data is used to train machine learning models. Now, click on the UiPath document understanding option. Enter your data labeling session name. I will create it as state budget data labeling. If you have already uploaded your datasets, choose them. In my case, I am going to create a new dataset. Enable create datasets and provide a dataset name and description. I will add the dataset name as state budget dataset and the description as state budget datasets. If you enable this dataset as public, it will be accessible via an endpoint protected with an API key from outside of the UiPath environment. This means that you can call it without the need to go through a robot connected to the specific tenant. In my case, I am connected to the specific tenant. Click the Create button. Now, we have successfully created a data labeling session and datasets. Look at the status. Now it is in deploying status. Wait some time for it to change this status to available. Once the status changes to the available, click on the data labeling name. It will take you to the data manager window where we map the key information. Okay, let's start adding documents to map the fields. Click on import button. Enter the batch name. Then drag and drop your sample documents. Then click on upload. It will take some time to load all your documents and then it will analyze your document as well. It's successfully verified. The message shows that there are 30 files uploaded. Now click on the import button. It's importing document status where it's going to categorize documents to be processed, duplicate documents to be skipped, and error document as well. Once done, click on the close button. We have successfully imported all the documents. Let's start creating fields first. Click on regular field, then click the plus icon in the top right corner. Enter your label title here. Let me add state name. Then click on OK. On the General tab, you can select the content type based on your extraction format. I will choose string in my case. Here, we can assign shortcut keys to capture the data for easy data capture. You can choose the other option based on your data extraction. On the Advanced tab, choose option for post-processing, scoring, and colors based on your requirements. Then click the Save button. Likewise, create the other fields and map the data type. I have created all the fields. Now I want to group the documents by format for better classification. Click on classification field. Enter the field name as C_state_name, which means classification state name. Then define the list and click the save button. Now everything is set. Let's go and capture the values. Select the data. Here I select Goa, which is the state name. After the selection, press the shortcut key yes on your keyboard and your data will be captured and mapped automatically under the respective field. Do the same for the remaining fields. I have highlighted all the fields and now classify the document type. Go to the next document and use the same data highlighting method for all 30 documents. Here I am going to fast forward the video for time consuming purpose, you can do it slowly and carefully. Once you have mapped all the document fields, click on the export button, enter a name and select all label option. Then click on export to AI Center button. It will take some time to load the trained documents into your datasets. Once the export is done, go to AI Center, click on data labeling option. Here you can see your data stored in a different format. Now we have successfully completed data labeling, data mapping and dataset creation. Now it's time to move to the next stage, creating ML packages. Go to ML package option. Here we have different types of ML package options. Choose out of the box packages as we are going to build our own ML model. Here we can see the models from UiPath and open source. From this, I'm going to choose UiPath document understanding package. Click on it. Look at here, there are pre-trained ML models available. You can use these models directly for document extraction. Choose them based on your document format. I will choose document understanding. Select the package version and click on the submit button. Enter your package name and add the description. These are optional. leave them as they are. Then click on the submit button. Now we have successfully created an ML package. Look at here. Our ML package status is undeployed now. Let's do a few more steps to change it to deployed status. Let's start creating a pipeline process. Click on the pipeline option. Click on create new in the top right corner. Select pipeline type. Enter the pipeline name. Choose our ML package which we created earlier. Choose package major and minor version, then select our data sets. After dataset selection, click on the create button. Now the pipeline is started running. We have to wait until the status changes to successful. Wait for 30 minutes or an hour. It takes time based on your datasets. Once the pipeline status turned into successful, go to ML skill option. Click on create new on the right top corner. Enter ML skill name. Choose ML package. Choose package major version and your package latest minor version. Then add a description and enable auto update if required. I'm going to enable ML skill public. Now click on create button. Now we have successfully created our ML skill. Okay, so finally we have created our own ML models. Now let's create the process in UiPath Studio and see how it works on the data extraction. Go to UiPath Studio, click on the process, enter process name and description, then click on the create button. Now you are ready to develop your project. Before that, we have to install UiPath Document Understanding ML Activity Packages. Go to Manage Package option on the Design panel. Click on All Packages. Then enter UiPath Document Understanding.ml.activities in the search bar and select it. Click on Install. Then click on Save. Now ML packages are getting installed. It will take some time to load ML packages. Once it is done, click on I accept. Then again install UiPath Intelligent OCR activities through Manage Packages. Okay, now we have installed all the packages. Now click on Taxonomy Manager option on the Design tab. The Taxonomy Manager can be used to create and edit a taxonomy file specific to your current automation project. So now we have to define document group and types based on your fields. Once you open the Taxonomy Manager, we have to create groups and document types. Here we are going to define the fields which we created earlier. Click on group and enter your group name. Then click on save. Click on document type option and enter document name. Then click on Save. We have successfully created group, category and document type. Now I'm going to create fields that we are going to extract from the document. Click on the field icon, enter your field name, select field type. Make sure that while selecting field type, we must select the same data type which we defined in the document manager in the AI Center. Then click on Save. Like this, go and create all the other fields which we created in the document manager. We have created all the fields. Now close the taxonomy manager window. Now I'm going to create a new sequence. On the new sequence page, drag and drop assign activity to define the folder path of the files. On the left side, create a variable. On the right side, add directory.get files and then provide your file folder path. Then click on Save. Now I can see the error on the assign activity. Oh, I got it. I need to change the variable type to an array of string. We are done. Let's go and add a for each activity to access each file one by one. Call the file's array variable into list of items. I will rename the item name as document path. Then drag and drop assign activity into for each body. Create a variable to store file name. On the right side, add path.get file name without extension and provide document path item variable. Now let's add load taxonomy activity. Create a variable, then click on enter. Then add digitize document activity for extract your document content. In the document path field, call document path variable. On the output, create two variable output. One is str.text and another one is doc object model. Then drag and drop data extraction scope activity. In the input field, call the variable document path, taxonomy, document text, document object model and document type ID. Then create a variable in the output field, extraction results. To get document ID, go to project panel and under the document processing folder, open taxonomy.json file. Here it is, the document type ID. Copy this and go back to your sequence flow, then paste it within double quotes. Now go to Activity panel, drag and drop Machine Learning Extract. On the pop-up window, choose your ML skill if you are connected with Orchestrator. In real time, we will get the endpoint URL from AI Center. I will choose ML skill here, then click on Get Capabilities button, then click on Configure Extractors, expand State Document here. You see all the fields appears here, which we created in the Taxonomy Manager. On the right side, go and select the fields which we created in AI Center Document Manager. Map all the fields to respective fields. Then click on Save. After that, add export extraction results and call extraction result variable, create a dataset variable, followed by adding append range workbook activity to see the result. Now everything is ready. Let's run the process to check the results. The run is completed now. Let's see the results. Look at the Excel file. Our trained ML model extracted the fields exactly. In conclusion, I have tested all types of documents: mobile photograph, black and white, poor quality documents, good quality documents. On the good quality documents, the ML model gives good accuracy. On the poor quality document, the ML model gives around 60 to 75% of accuracy. And again, the accuracy is based on your document qualities. Remember that. I hope now you are clear how to create your own ML model based on your document formats. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to write comments. I will assist you with your queries.